Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Stock Pre-Market Analysis. Let's start with S&P 500. What we are looking at here, first of all, I have my short position intact, and I'll continue holding so on this one. All right. So we are looking on a 4-hour time frame. On a smaller time frame means today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, like a couple of days from now. So what we are looking at, this high marked, which was the spring of this point. It means the price came down, exactly came back to this point and marked this inverted hammer, the liquidity grab right above this point. So what we are looking at, we are looking for the point to sell off. Then the price is sideline. What will happen? There is a we are not looking for a breakout here. Like there is no more upside breakout. So we are looking for a downside on S&P 500 on a smaller time frame, just like today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Okay, within 1 or 2 days, a quick sell-off, shakeout before the price will go up and wave into like one more rally. So before the rally, we are looking for 1-day shakeout. Where is the shakeout from this point? Is the previous liquidity right here, which is 671. Under this, and the price shoot up for like a couple of weeks. Okay. So before the market rally, I'll be looking for a shakeout, and this will be the price target. And under this, under 670 and under, I'll be closing my short position, and that's why I'm holding, because that's what this where the previous liquidity is. Okay, moving forward to Tesla. Yesterday we closed our short position, which we have been trading back-to-back multiple short position right from these two candles. When we saw both the candle body closing at the same level, but the wick is next wick failed. You see that right here? If I zoom it for you, this particular candle, the body and bodies are almost equal, but the wick was down right in this area when we called the top of Tesla, and we were like announcing everywhere, not only in Discord, on social media, Twitter, everywhere, that Tesla has stopped. What we are looking at now, we are looking for the price to retrace, and that's why that was the reason for me to yesterday to close my short position. Reason being, the price will retrace back upside. Market does not sell in one single direction, that it continues selling off. So what we are looking at, we are looking for the price to retrace from here upside. What's the maximum retracement? Is this particular candle, you see the body, the closing of this candle 481, this particular candle, the closing 481 and few cents. That's the area that will retrace, and then again we will sell another 10%. The price target downside, definitely these all liquidity will be taken. Point number 1, point number 2, point number 3, point number 4, all these down here 426, 430 area, and then another bounce comes. Okay, so we are out of all trade on Tesla right now, but around 480 to 481 area we'll be looking for another short entry. We are in wave B on a 4-hour time frame, and this is for smaller time frame, means within this week. If you want to know overall picture on a daily time frame, we have just started selling off. You see that on the top, all these smaller time frame wave will be within the candle of daily. The market will definitely take down this liquidity right here, 396, and the bottom is around 383. This is where the maximum number of liquidity is pending. This is where this point is the main target for the market, and this will happen without exception. Once the price comes here, there are two problems in Tesla right now. One, Marubazu up means there will be a Marubazu down here, and this liquidity is imminent, this liquidity hunt. Because think about all those people, those who have bought it at 500, 480, 485, or even people, those who are holding these people, right here. Anyone, let's say, bought it at 440, 460 area. He did not manage to exit at 498 or 495. So what is he thinking? I will have my stop loss right here, and I will let it ride all the way to 500, 600, 700, whatever the price target they are thinking of. So where is all these people? This entire run stop loss is right under this candle, and the market hunted the stop loss by default. So what will happen? The market will play zigzag pattern right here, play along, like try to play along with the retail investor that, oh, it's just a retracement, bounce, blah, blah, blah. And then one day, all these will be gone. Boom. And that's how the market will take them down. So the super bearish, okay, today is a recovery. So don't get it wrong. Overall, long-term bearish, smaller time frame, recovery. When I say these three different things, and the people say, oh, well, you are saying bearish, but now you are saying bullish. Bullish on a smaller time frame. Okay, means today the price will recover. But on a longer run, like March, mid of March, We are still bearish. Overall, the price will go down till March. Okay. I'm expecting the Tesla to mark the bottom on 6th of March and then double from there on 14th of August. So those two dates are very, very crucial. So pay attention. So right from here, 4 hour a recovery. So bullish on a today, tomorrow, and then sell it once again. Moving forward to VIX, what we are looking here, VIX cannot be held hostage here. The VIX has to come back. And that's what dragging the market on the side for a while, because there is no volatility in the market. When there is no volatility, what happens? The market enters the safe zone. Safe zone means no one is losing money, there is no liquidity happening, nothing. People are holding their position, new people are buying their position. So this is the kind of last couple of weeks the market has entered the safe zone. Okay, and that's the problem. The volatility has to come back. Volatility cannot stay here. And that's why, if you remember, last couple of weeks, the market has been boring for most of the people that, oh, nothing is moving. It's just kind of a stagnant market. The main reason is because there is no volatility. But we have reached to the point where the volatility is about to bounce back. We have the algorithm pickup. You see the ghost right here is just appeared on the previous candle. Now, where the volatility is going, back up bouncing from here is straight into 2345. It will take down the previous high right in this area. So the volatility is coming back, maybe anytime, just day or two. That's it. It's not far. Okay, and that's why I'm continuing holding my S&P 500 short position. The volatility will come back in the markets. Moving forward to Amazon, Friday we closed all the trade on the profit, and then yesterday we started a new trade on this one. Okay, which is Iron Condor. Time frame, I don't know. Never ask time frame. That's a really bad question, to be honest. No one knows in this world when the price will hit 500. For example, let's say Tesla. Okay, let's say someone says, oh, the price will go to 700. It's very difficult to say which day or which week it will go to 700, because market doesn't work based on time. Market works based on pivot. So let's say wicks. What I'm looking at, I'm looking for the trend reversal right here. But if you want to know, I'll give you the idea how to work. So what I'm looking at, I'm looking for the reversal on this one. Okay. So reversal from here, the maximum price target we have 20.43, and the max wicks is 27.31, which is our Fibonacci 0.168 extension. So if you want to know, this is imminent. The first point, there are two parts of your question. First part, this run 2345, imminent. Nothing can stop that. Price will go up, wicks will shoot up. When will it shoot up? Now, this is a tricky question. Okay, now to figure out, you need to figure out how long it took for the supply to come. Generally, okay, this is what the time range theory is. So you go from here. So it took price to drop from this area to 39 days. Okay, now to go from here to the 27 or 23 plus, it has only two options. Okay, either it will repeat the same number of days, which is 25 bar 39 days, or it will take double the time. So because either it could be expanding demand means like slowly going upward, then it will take 78 days. Okay, so right now we don't know whether it will be the expanding demand or it will be the equal demand. That's the problem. When I'll do the study on any other chart, I'll show you what internal demand and supply looks like. Okay, but right here from the previous angle, if you want to see, so this was the steep demand right here. Just to understand what is expected, this is not guaranteed. So we had a sharp demand right here in 5 to 6 candle. The price shoot up from bottom to top, but next time it become the expanding demand. You see the price went up slowly, then retrace, and then. So if we are entering an expanding demand zone, the next will even be expanding demand. Okay, this is how you identify what's going to happen. Okay, but never try to precise the timing. Timing is not everything here, right here. So this is something you should be looking at, like this one, expanding demand. Okay, but we did something wrong calculation. Hold on. Okay, if we are looking for the demand, we will not take the supply, we will take the demand. Okay, sorry. So right here. So what we are looking at 24 days. Maximum it can take 48 days from here. So expanding demand means demand has to take maximum double the time of the previous demand. That's it. Not the supply. I calculated wrong here. Okay, so this is 24 days right in this area. So maximum it could take 48 days from here, and the VIX will shoot up. So from, if you want to know the expiry to play that game, I know why your question is. So that's the range, 49 days. The VIX will shoot up above 24 area. So from 16 to 24, 7 points on the VIX within 48 days from now. This is the expanding demand of the previous demand. And if you pay attention to figure out, it's not difficult, but it's not 100% accurate. Time range theory is not 100% accurate. That's why. How long it took? 7 days. How long it took next time? 24 days, 5 bar, 18 bar. So roughly taking 3x time frame every time. Okay, so this is how you figure out. But generally, I don't refer to time range theory. We trade pivots. We know that the price will go to 23.45, but just for an idea, approximately 45 days from now. Okay, moving forward to Amazon, we closed all the trade on the profit, and then we opened the new iron condor. We'll continue holding this trade until it turned in a solid profit. Moving forward to Hood, this is the stock that I'm interested in right now. Okay, so what is happening? The price went to approximately 150, and since then it has been pulling back, and there has been no price action starting from this area, which was on October. You see that? Since October, the price has been in this range. Now, there are a couple of things, okay, what I'm looking at. First of all, draw this trend line from here. Okay, right here, right here, right here. Once we break this trend line upside from here, like 127 something, once the breakout happen, this will be a major breakout. How much it will be? Roughly, we will repeat 2 times of this demand, which is approximately 110 to 139. So approximately $60 jump from here, which is a big jump on Hood moving forward. Okay. What we are looking for the entry? A little bit more downside, a little bit more downside, a little bit, maybe it's just like few more dollars. We are kind of a symmetrical pattern here, and the breakout is due. You see this area right here. So if you just look at only the area which is highlighted by the black triangle, what does it suggest? A breakout is coming. So when it's coming, roughly the breakout will happen in next 10 to 15 days, most likely, because we still have few gap to fill here. So approximately 2 weeks from now, the Hood should give us a breakout of this triangle. The price has been squeezing in this one. And when the price squeeze in a triangle, it always break out. Okay, we'll be monitoring closely Hood from now. Okay, we can look for our long synthetic trade on this one. From today, all our trade will be exponential. No matter what, we are happy to cut few trade at a loss. Okay, but most of the trade will be initiating exponential. Okay. All right, moving forward to BMNR. What we are looking at, BMNR, we move along with the Ethereum. So far, the price in this area is good. If this is considered the wave A, down, and the price is failing to reject the equal low. So what we are looking at, once the price go up from here, up here. So here you will have your first change of character, and the price will enter in the bull run like this. Okay, go here and then retrace once again. It will again retrace before the marking the inverted the cup here, right in this area, which is 55 area. This run, the price will only go to 52 area. Overall price target maximum is, I think it's 89 something. Price will not go above 89. So if you're looking for 300, 400, it's not going to happen. But 89 is the real possibility. However, I'll be closing most of my position around 52 area, because then we'll wait for another retracement. Because this pump will have a retracement on the Ethereum. When we go to Ethereum, I'll explain you what's going on. Moving forward to bull, the price has been downward momentum for a while, and we are having our position. We'll continue holding this one, okay? At least for till 20th of February. Meanwhile, keep selling some calls on this one. Whatever you can sell, sell something for few pennies, okay? Circle, when the price recovered from here, right from here 65, we knew it is going to 91 area, and right from there, as soon as we have this double top kind of setup right here, you see that it was clear the price will retrace back to 74 area, and right now we are at 80. I'm still looking for a little bit more downside, approximately like 74 area, before we start going upwards, okay? When we have a chart like this one, okay, this particular chart, you see that this spread candle, see the wick, there was no previous candle wick before that, there was no the forward candle, okay, and this again suddenly this candle came and gave you the wick right in this area. This was the 100% fake candle, this particular candle, okay. Why? The volume was low, okay, low of the previous candle, low, the volume is low of the previous candle, but the candle is big and enter the liquidity zone. This location of this candle and the size of this candle was a red flag, clear red flag, that okay, it just a pump so that they can distribute again around 90 area, and that's what happened exactly, okay. So this kind of candle, always keep an eye, okay. This volume needed to be higher a little bit, and this candle need to break the wick of this one, then it could have continued. Otherwise it was clear instruction that it will fail. Okay, moving forward to HIMS, I think the stock is at bottom. If we hold this area, right, this area which is 34 area, then we are looking towards 50 area recovery, okay. If we fail this area, then we can push a little bit more downside towards 25 area, okay. But make sure you keep selling something. If you're holding a position, sell some call, buy some merit put, do something with the stock, okay. Don't just sit on your position. Overall, huge upside from here. HIMS is a kind of weird stock, okay. When it will start running within like few days, it will double, you know, like 40-50% return, and then again it will pull back. So it's kind of a cult stock, very similar to Tesla or other retail favorite stocks. So HIMS is very much retail favorite stock, okay. So when it will run like hell, like within few days it will like go 40-50%. However, it has been consolidating in this area multiple times, so we are good with that one. The previous liquidity has been taken down, 1, 2, 3, right here, retest. We have a exhaustion gap right here. So overall, it's bullish. I'm not planning on anything on this one. I'm good to hold my position. Only area that I'll be monitoring is the very similar area, the wick right here, right here. That's the area that I'll be monitoring, 40.95. Whether the price will go to 49, what kind of candle will appear right at 40.99, that's the area that I'll be monitoring. Till then, I'm with peace of mind, because we have this exhaustion gap right here. I know 100% the stock is bullish. Only area that I'll be monitoring is this wick. You see this wick right here? This is the area I'll be keeping an eye. Once the price comes to 40.95, which kind of wick or candle and the volume will have a setup right in this area. That's the area I'll be monitoring. Till then, nothing to worry about this one. We are bullish. Yeah, you can sell some call, not 35. Don't sell 35. 35 is too close. 35 we can hit today. Why you want to sell 35 call? If you want to sell something, sell anything above 40.99, like above 41 strike price. Let's say you want to sell the call, sell it for 42, 43, 44, 45, anything above 40. When I'm expecting the price to go from here to here this week, 40.95, why would you sell the $35 call? Right away, you will go $5 in the money, right? So anything above 40, you sell the call. It's good. All right, moving forward to SoFi, the stock was called at the top right in this area, 30 area. We have been trading the stock since $6.47. Not a big fan at this price. I'm really looking around this area. So let's go to 4-hour time frame and right in this area. So this is the area that I'll be looking for. Sorry. Yeah, I'll go to NEO. Yeah. Okay, so what we are looking at, we are kind of a downward symmetrical triangle. Okay, bearish this leg. So I will look for a fake out downside first at least. I'm not really interested unless the price comes to 21, 22 area. It's still out of the range where I should buy this. Okay, I've been looking around 21, 23, 22 area. That's where I'll be opening the position. Till then, I will stay clear. Moving forward tomorrow, good stock to buy and hold for the Bitcoin recovery. Perfect setup right here. Right now, the price is beaten down. You need to understand what's going on. Yesterday, the average Bitcoin cost to mine was 99,956. Right now, the Bitcoin price is around $88. Means the Mara is losing money right now. To mine every single Bitcoin, they are losing approximately, I think, $12,000 per Bitcoin they are mining. Okay, and that's why the price is so much down and being punished. Because once the Bitcoin goes above $100,000, Mara will fly like hell. It will fly like hell. Why? Because all the Bitcoin they are mining again will start printing money for them. Why the Mara went here? Look at this one. You need to understand what's going on with Mara. Why the price went to 23 area? The Bitcoin went to 126. They were mining 900 to 1,000 Bitcoin per month. So if a company is mining 900 to 1,000 Bitcoin per month, and per Bitcoin they are making $30,000, why wouldn't the stock price will fly like this one? Starting from $14 straight all the way to 23, $9 bounce, which is approximately 60% jump in the stock. But since the Bitcoin lost its break-even value, along with the mining value, the mining cost, right at that one, the things went haywire for Mara. Means things went south, and that's why the stock started selling. As soon as the Bitcoin dropped the break-even value, the Mara stock started selling off badly. Okay, the real game on Mara stock is that you buy now and you hold. As soon as the Bitcoin price will go back above 100,000, this shit will fly exactly like 100%, 50%, 70%. Okay, and that's what the game going on right now. Okay, I have my Mara position. I'm continuing holding, and I'm happy to hold this for a few months. Moving forward to Melly, the stock is bullish. It was called right here under 2,000 that the stock will continue going bullish. We still have another upside, a little bit more upside. We have a change of character already, so the stock is bullish. We are looking anywhere between 2178, so approximately another $150 upside. Moving forward to Meta. Meta is bouncing off the 50 EMA on a 4-hour time frame. The stock is bullish. We have this trend line coming from the top, and which I'm 100% sure we'll have a breakout this time. The price has been retracing the resistance line. You see that? Resistance line. When the price refused to fall and keep, retracing the resistance line, then moving forward a few candle down the line, the price always break out. Because see what's happening with the price. This black line down here is the 50 EMA. So the price is above 50 EMA and below the resistance. So what's happening? 50 EMA working as a support line, and the black line, the straight line from the top, this line is working as a resistance. So the price is in kind of squeeze here between the support and resistance, and then breakout, and the price will continue upwards. Moving forward to MSTR, it will not recover unless the Bitcoin start the recovery. Okay, we are facing a challenge here. Moving forward to Netflix, the stock is bullish. I think there is a base information right here, multiple time, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 times. So the price is coming back to this area. I'm looking for a breakout. Overall, my price target is about 109, 116, and even 123 area, and that's it. Moving forward to NEO, 534, right here, 5455. So yesterday I told everyone, do not close your NEO long call, which everyone has, right? 555, wave 3, vertical breakout, team up bullish. Those who want to book the profit, today you can book the profit for $5 call in the money, solid profit. Those who want to book the profit, like they want to get out and again get in on a wave 4, can book the profit. But we are good to hold our position. Okay, there is a lot more coming on this one. If I go on a daily time frame, then you'll understand. And yesterday I clearly mentioned, do not book profit on NEO. And our entry has been 474, right now trading at 554. Okay, so this candle is just the beginning. This candle, you see the volume going up, volume is increasing, 1 2 3, price is going up, volume up, price up means the price will continue. This move is supported by the volume, means there is a buying happening, and that's what we need buying at the bottom. So that means we are in a good area. So the buying is happening, price is going upward, means it's the move supported by the volume is a good stuff. Okay, where we are looking to close, the first price target, we are looking at 50 EMA resistance, which is 564. Most likely today we will retest this 50 EMA. So what most likely to happen today, you'll see the wick touching the 50 EMA and then retrace. That's where the wave 4 of a smaller time frame will start. So the price will go to 50 EMA, retrace, and next day, I mean today to tomorrow, then break out. Once we break the 50 EMA, the price will skyrocket straight into $753. So that's where I'm looking at. Minimum, I'm looking for this high, exact to the penny. If you want to know the price target, so right here, precise to the penny, you see the green candle right here and the red candle right here. Closing of this green candle right here, which is 731, 721. So this is the area that you should be looking at. So first price target, you will be looking at a Fibonacci retracement, which is, you see here, all 3 point are how closely they are tied. The pivot is 642, 6.18 Fibonacci is 647. So 614 to 647, perfect area. This is the area that we need right here. Okay, this is your first price target, and the second price target 728. 728, make sure you do not get greedy, you do not chase the stock, and don't for God's sake ask me the question at 728 that if NEO is still a good buy. Okay, 728, you get the hell out of NEO and you never look back unless the price retraces back again 50%. Okay, so time was 474, and 474, and don't tell me today that you missed the NEO. When the price was trading here, $8, that time it was alerted the price will drop to 474, and price dropped to 473. 1 cent precise, 50% down. And still, if you don't have NEO, there is nothing I can do about. Okay. Only thing I can say, if you miss NEO, you deserve it. Every single day we have covered NEO. Every single day. Every single day I have been covering Tesla short. Every single day I have been covering Amazon long. Every single day I have been explaining Mara is a good stock to buy and hold right now. Every single day I have been saying BMNR is going to blow up when the Ethereum will go up. But if you are not paying attention, and from today I have started adding hoods to the briefing. The hoods is the next stock that you need to pay attention right now. Okay, moving forward to NVDA. What we are looking on NVDA, change of character, stock is bullish, a retracement and breakout upside. Oscar is bullish. From here, we have a decent retracement. We have the fair value gap filled. Price is under the point of control line. The price will be stuck here for a few days, 1 or 2 days. Then we will have a breakout into wave 3. Moving forward to Rivian, stay clear. Do not touch. Do not even look at the Rivian chart. It's simple. We have been trading this stock since 953 and 1147. And if you are looking at a Rivian chart at $22, our price target was 21.88, which was already in the Discord. 21.88, precise hit 21.88, went to 22.69. Do not even look at the Rivian chart. I don't give a damn where Rivian is going. It may go to $1,000. None of my business. I had my price target 21.88. I'm done. I'm not looking unless the price dropped to 1574 area, right at this wick. Unless this wick, the price comes here, do not even look at Rivian. I'm telling you this. Anything under 1673, all the way to this wick right here, 1580. You see these? You got the 2 price target, 1673 to 1580. Do not even look at Rivian unless the price comes to this price. And if you want to know whether it will come or not, I can guarantee the price will come to this price. SOXL, we've been trading this stock since 19th of September 2024. We have booked crazy profit, not 1 or 2, at least like 1,000 times. Okay, we are still in the trade, which is going to settle on 16th of January. Overall, stock is bullish from here. This wave will fail. The price is equal high failure. Down, Big buy liquidity right here, price up, all four candle are engulfing to this particular candle. This is our principal candle. Now the next candle, the today's candle, will be the key deciding factor whether the price will go up or will refill the volume down. SMCI, this is your stock to buy and hold. Buy and hold. I'm telling you now. I was the only person when the stock dropped to 1998, from all the way from $100. I was the only person in the world who was telling people buy SMCI. Only single person in the world, when everybody was shitting in their pant because the stock crashed from 108 to 19. And I outlined the 5-step plan. The DOJ will be bright. This CFO will be resignation. New banking company will be appointed. Everything is on the Twitter account. Okay. Same thing here. There is nothing wrong with the company. The price does not belong to this area. The price will bounce. Price belongs to 52, 53 area, and that's where the price will go. Moving forward to Soundhound, bullish, only short put, nothing else. Moving forward to Bitcoin, what we are looking at this one. Price has been stuck in a point of control line like hell. You see the black line, which is point of control line. Price has been stuck, and that's the problem. Okay, let me log into my account. Market is open. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, man. Okay, got it. All right, so he said Mara is the most, Mara is the most undervalued stock, and reason for Mara being is because right now company is losing money. As soon as the Bitcoin crosses 100,000, Mara will fly like hell, because the company entire business model is in loss right now. Okay, because the per Bitcoin mining value, and that's what's killing Mara right now. But it's highly undervalued. That's I think the second biggest treasury company of Bitcoin after MSTR. But they are better than MSTR, because MSTR is just buying Bitcoin, but Mara is not only buying but holding as well, like stacking and mining itself. So it's a different game than. All right here. So 42. Okay, so what we are looking at here. What's going on? 1 close 42. No. Okay, so it's a credit trade, means I need to have a debit for this one. Okay. Okay, so 0.20 debit. Let's see. Sorry. Neo. Where is Neo? All our trade on Neo are green. Wave 3. This is wave 3. That's why I told you don't rush to close your trade. Don't try to close your trade in wave 3, because this can push really hard. Okay. Watch what I just said. This particular candle, the wick will retest 50 EMA right here. It will just test here and reject and then shoot up. Once we claim the 50 EMA, that's it. The stock will turn bullish and the new buyer will jump in the market, because people, those who are not in the trade right now, they will start jumping in on Neo right after the 50 EMA. Volume is down right on this particular candle. The volume has suddenly disappeared. What will happen? This candle will push and next candle will be falling short. Okay, so let me see right here. Filling an order is a big challenge on this one, because I have a long synthetic. Okay. Yesterday I shared with you a trade on Neo. That's a long synthetic skew biased to volatility directional trade. 99% of our trading will be like that moving forward. Every single trade we want to go exponential. Enough is enough. No more like defensive trading. Core view has a lot of downsides. Core view, there is nothing bullish about this stock. Okay. When the price was here, at 65 something, 66 area, I clearly mentioned the price will go towards one bounce, and this was clearly alerted that this is internal demand. Okay, internal demand means the supply will continue. Okay, and that's what is going to happen. Core view will bottom at 46. That's where I have my placed order. At 46, I'm looking around 100,000 share. I'll be interested to buy a big position on this one, okay, on the core view, but not quite here. You need to understand what's going on. This is the entire chart, okay? Let's go to another chart so it will be easy for you to understand. GGG. Okay, and I'll explain you what's going on here. Okay, so right here, core view, daily time frame. Okay. There is no bullish sign right here. You see that? Because there is not enough data on this stock. So this liquidity was taken right here, equal low, price bounce. Where was the liquidity sitting of this entire run? Was right here. Liquidity taken. Liquidity is shifting in there because there is no previous liquidity here. You see that? There is no liquidity here until this point, okay, which is 33. If there is no liquidity here, then where we have to find the liquidity? And that's the problem with the new IPOs. And that's why I always short sell new IPO. You need to understand what people don't understand. There is no liquidity here. These were all greedy buyer pumping garbage, all this YouTuber, I don't know, the TV channel, Bloomberg and all this, okay? These are all pumping gurus right here. There's no liquidity in this entire trend. So where we have to find the liquidity? We have to create the liquidity. Okay. So down, up, liquidity created, take them out. Down, up, create the liquidity, take them down. Now, where is the liquidity? These are gone. So this is where the new liquidity is. So 64, 64. Then again, take them down. So what's going on here? There is no previous liquidity in the trend. Like on Tesla, we know where the liquidity is sitting. We can go hunt that liquidity, buy in that area. But here, we have to create the liquidity again and again and take the price down. And that's why the price is going down. Okay, I saw the wick on Tesla. What's going on? 2 o'clock, we have a Fed meeting. The market will have some volatility. MSTR is, I wouldn't say enter MSTR. That's the only stock which is pain for us this year, and it has been a real big pain. Trust me, I'm not really happy with the. I have made a mistake on MSTR. We knew it this shit that it's highly volatile because it's directly linked to Bitcoin. We could have played a little bit different way of MSTR. You know, we could have gone straddle, long straddle, buy the call, buy the put, and that's it. And then leave the shit, go to hell. Okay, BBI $12 call. You are good here. BMNR, you have 330 share. Okay, you have 3 call. Okay, that's good. Hold that. Let the continue selling few calls. And once your call expire, then you sell again. So coin, you have 17 share. On a coin, you don't need to buy 17 share. If you can't buy 100, don't buy the share, okay? DVLT 5,400 share. You have gone little bit like too much. You should have started like 2,000 share and then buy another 2,000 share. But if you already bought it, you bought it. There is nothing you can do. I see a little bit over buying on DVLT. I see coin should have not been your 17 share. There is nothing. You should never buy 17 share. Neo, you can book the profit. Okay, take this 250 and we can adjust somewhere. BBN, $15 call you sold. $20 call you bought. Why you have Rivian $15 call sold? Short call $15. I have no idea where is this coming from. SMCI $30 put. Excellent. That's good. So where is your share for Rivian? Why you have a short call on Rivian? I don't know where it's coming from. Why you have a short call, like $15 short call? $15 call you sold for 1646. You are a $4 in loss, and you did a wrong trade here. Rivian. Where did this come from? Okay. Oh, I thought I didn't look at the username. I know. It's you. When you were driving, you made a mistake. Okay. I got it. I was like, who is this who has a Rivian 15 and wrong trade? Okay. It's fine. That's if you try to save the a challan, you pay the ticket. It's all right. It's okay. I know your trade. It's okay. You were looking at the police officer, eh? And now you are paying with the Rivian call. So sometimes it's better to get a ticket than losing a trade. Ah, shit. I didn't see the username. I said, who is this now who has a Rivian complicated trade? All right, circle 105 call, 110 put. Circle call. Okay, overall everything is good. Neo, you have yes, Neo sell the call, covered call. Now I know. Okay, it's fine. Yeah, just let it settle. It's fine. How much are we losing on this one? We're losing about $1,600. Yeah. So I think that the share we made roughly the same money. So it's going on a break even, right? So it's good. I will bring it back. So 2nd of January, the trade is settling this Friday. Right after this trade settle, then we'll take a new trade to bring this money back. January 30th, we'll bring it back. We'll take another trade. DVLT, you went over a little bit. You should start with like 2,000, then 2,000, then 2,000. Always buy in a ladder when we are buying a share, because the micro cap stock and the stock is good. It's not going anywhere. We know that. We have been buying this stock since 40 cents and we went like 10x. When will the rally start with S&P 500 rejection? What rejection? My friend, first, I just did the S&P 500. Today, tomorrow, shakeout. There will be a shakeout before the rally starts. Short term, S&P 500 is bearish. Long term, we are expecting one more breakout. Okay, so don't get between two different time frame. Certain stock which are bullish on a smaller time frame and bearish on a longer time frame, like Tesla. Tesla is bullish on a smaller time frame. Means today, tomorrow, day after, Tesla will have a recovery, and then a long term, again, it will sell off. So 454, perfect. What a crazy trade. What a crazy trade. When the price was trading right here, 498, no one was listening. Literally no one was listening. Sometimes I feel like, when I was saying that Tesla is overvalued and Tesla will crash right at 498, the people were kind of commenting bad here, there. No, nothing about Tesla. Lest they know that 90% of my capital which I've made in my trading career came from Tesla. I've been trading this stock for last 6 years back to back, 7 years now. Yeah. I started Tesla trading back in October 2018. So yeah, 7 years I've been trading Tesla back to back. I'm looking at you right now. That's what I'm doing. $50 EMA rejection. Let's book the profit on Neo calls. Those who are holding the Neo share, go covered. Those who are holding the long call, 15 May, $5 call, book the profit now. Okay. This particular candle will not hold. This candle will fail. Make sure you know that. This candle will fail. Let me show you why this candle will fail. First, this candle, the body is just coming close, and the wick is having a rejection at the 50 EMA. You see that? This, even if the wick has gone a little bit up, still it's considered as a rejection at 50 EMA. But the real problem is here. There is no volume. There is no volume. So there is a contradiction between the candle body and the volume bar. There is a contradiction. When there is a contradiction, there is a problem. But it's not that, oh, we will sell off again 475, just a few cent pullback. That's it. What is new high for the day today? We already did, I think, today. Yeah, right here. Yeah, we can go to 570 today. I can go on a smaller time frame to find out. I think we already did the high. High is already in 570. Yeah, 574, 572. We are done. Everyone booked the profit. We have the buying climax on a 30-minute time frame. Day high is already in. Book the profit on Neo and stay clear. 5.74 seems to be the day high. See the wick? Now, that's what I say. You see the wick right in this candle? It may push a little bit. It doesn't matter. It can push few cents more, like 5 cents, 7 cents. It can push. But what do you understand right here? Look at this one. Who is not able to see the selling pressure on this candle? You see, this entire wick is a selling pressure. Look at it from black line to the top line. If you don't see this selling pressure, then nothing can save you in trading. It's clearly visible. There is a selling pressure here. Get the hell out of the stock. No, first we look for the shakeout. On S&P 500, we are looking for a shakeout first. Because once the market start rally, then everything will go up. Not just S&P 500, everything will start pumping. AISP, that's what I like. AISP. Close the AISP trade, all of you. These are our multi-bagger stocks, which we picked in back in September when nobody knew about these stocks. ASP, DVLT, Resolve, Saidu, Exit, AISP, Airship Holding. Interesting. That's what I was looking at. Okay, so what we'll be doing on, okay, big spread candle, non-decided. There is no non-directional. Overall, I was bullish on the bullish. Let's see if we shoot up the volume fill up. Okay. Good. That's it. That's what all you need. Sold. How much is your premium left in the $20 call? Arabian, January 2nd, 92. What's the point of having it? $20 की call close कर देते हैं. All right. Arabian. एक, दो, तीन, चार दिन में तो blow up हो भी सकता है. Hold कर लेते हैं या 25, 25, 65. Wave 4. SMCI 30.06, a big buy liquidity. NVDA 187, NEO 571. NEO is done for the day. Make sure everyone knows that. Don't tell me that you did not exit NEO. And Sean, especially you. Let me look at your trade. You have NEO 33,000 share at 590. Yeah, $6 call will work here because your trade is almost coming to break even. And we have booked enough profit on this one. So I think you're good here. All right. So let's look for the call. Sorry. Delta, gamma, theta, position, interest, open interest, and OI change. All right. So there's no premium. 16th of January, $6, 550. Okay, let me see where the price is going. See, when the NEO was at 474, I guarantee you someone will ask me today, is the NEO still a good buy? I guarantee you, in any time someone will be typing a question. Shall I buy NEO? At 474, he was sleeping. 16 January, $6. What call are you selling? January 13. Blah. Why would you don't look at 16? 16 January $6 was $0.20. Look, option chain. Okay, that's fine. Since you already sold, so there is nothing we can do. But always look for the option chain. When you go and sell the covered call, look for this one. So right now, Sean sold 23rd of January covered call on NEO for 23 cents. But 16 January was giving him 20 cents. So for 3 cents, giving one more week is not worth it. Always look for the, like when you go and select the date, look left, right, the next week and the previous week. And if why to hold your share for one more week just for 1 or 2 cents, you know? Not worth it. So Excel, $40 call. Okay, so Excel is going to be going to settlement. All right. Okay. See that? This same particular candle, as soon as you have the big wick, everything just frozen. The price was bouncing off nicely. Bounce, 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 bounce. Right when you have the big wick, everything just like, you know, stands still and nothing is moving now. Okay, let's see. Uber. It was a good entry. Right here, I posted the alert on Friday. And I saw it. We missed this $4. Always look a week left and a week right before you hit the sell button. Okay. The world is not going to change in 1 minute. So always look left, right. Okay. So this is cool. Let's find some good trade. ASP, we are out. SMCI need to do some magic here. It's been too low. And this candle is telling us a story, this particular candle. Okay. The price went up, came down, exactly to the same level, and the buyer pushed the price. So it means there is a big buyer sitting in this area. Buyer are defending $30. Okay, they're pushing the price higher. So that's a good sign. All righty, let's go. We need to take a new trade. Meta 668, bingo. That's what we were looking at. Another big wick, same area, a rejection at the trend line, but I will break out. We have a 16 January spread right at the price shoot up. We'll sell one short call. 117 Amazon, give me my entry. I have a nice candle here for the entry, to be honest. This particular candle. Rejection from 34 EMA. Nice bounce upside, change of character. I can really look for an entry right now. Amazon is a big stock. You need to understand. Amazon is not your like Rivian or BMNR or anyone can move this stock. This will move. Okay, this is the most undervalued stock. Not most, but it's a highly undervalued. Okay. Amazon belongs in a range of 260, 270 area. That's where the justified price right now. The price hasn't gone up. Look at the price down. Look at this one. So if you look at, let me show you, and then you'll understand. You remember the April 7th when the S&P 500 was trading at 481, right? So April 7th, Amazon was trading at 160, and now it's trading at 230. $60 up means since then it has only gone up like 30%. And just think of where the hell the S&P 500 has gone and where the Tesla has gone from 220 to 400. You know, Amazon did not run. It has to run from here. There has to be a big pump. Look at this one from 7th April. Where the hell the hood was trading? $30 right here. When I picked up the stock at 30.30, I did not trade all the way to 155, but the entry was bloody amazing. We traded, I think, say up to 63, 65 area. Because after the stock goes 100%, it's like it becomes scary. Yes, neo short put, always, yes. Only thing I have closed is the short call. I mean, long call. Overall price target is 754, 753 area. That's why I'm holding my short put. I will close all trade on neo right here. Previous month high, which is 754 area, right? Equal high of this one. Because this is the internal liquidity. Those who done the last training, internal liquidity, internal liquidity, internal liquidity, ultimate low, internal liquidity taken, 1, 2, 3, all wiped. You see that this one going upside liquidity, this one. The price will exactly go to here, 780 area. It will not go up. It will exactly go to 780 and sell off. So 754, 750 area will be out of everything, like all trade. Till then, it's a short put collected money. Why do we care? We'll let it run while we keep trading the calls. So you see that 568, I just told you, the right next candle, This candle will not sustain this candle. This is a retail candle. You need to understand. When the retail investor buy, they buy like a herd, buy, the price is going up, we are going to reach that mindset. Where do you see that candle? The big candle, but no volume. This is excitement, IV candle, like implied volatility. Everyone is excited. This is excitement candle. Excitement candle, they don't last long. Okay. When the IFC candle comes, institution funding candle, I'll show you that. There's a difference in that candle. You see that? The big, this is where the IFC candle was. $13, institution bought it. Look at the volume. Right here. And all these are retail candle. So you need to identify which candle represent whom. This was institution buy, right in this area. That's where the order block is always marked. You can also call it dark pool candle. You can also call it veil candle, whatever you call it. It doesn't matter. Okay. 806, BMNR 2899, green, hood 116. Excellent. Are we getting an entry here? Let's check here. 2 o'clock, I'm looking for the Fed meeting, minutes of meeting. I'm looking towards to that. They will try to pump the market. Okay. Good. Most likely they will pump the market. If we get the entry, I really want the entry on this one, $102. You know, let's not rush on hood. We will have a better entry. I'm 100% sure. Because the high and low area is right here. This is the low area. Okay. This is IFC. This is IFC sell-off, scalper. Okay. RSI is bearish but not oversold. So I think the price will drop here. We have more downside left. So let's not rush on this one. But when we will take a trade, we'll take a big trade on this one, on hood. Okay. Right anywhere from 106.78. Okay. So starting from $106.78. So precisely $10 down from here. So approximately $10 downside. Then we'll be taking a big trade on this. No more small trade. Every single trade will be exponential now. Long synthetic, that's it. Long synthetic, short synthetic. I read you guys. Is it worth buying NEO? I'll throw you off the building if you buy NEO. You have no idea how many times I get this question. When I say buy something, people don't, oh, that time they are scared because that mindset doesn't match. You know? Now we already know the hood can drop right to the closing of this candle, right? Everybody agree to that? This is the possible area where the hood can go. Okay. 106. But people don't understand what will happen between now all the way to 106. What will happen? When you will see a lot of red candle, red candle, red candle, red candle, red candle, a fear will built in your mind. Oh my God, it's dropping. It's not stopping. It's continuously going down. But at 106, when it's time to buy, you will not buy because now you are scared. That's the problem. That's how market plays with your emotions. Because when the time to buy comes, you are scared. DDOG looks okay, good to me right here, right in this candle. Yeah. DDOG. Okay, let's look at option chain a little bit. What's going on? Where is the whale sitting? All right, the whales are buying Meta 820 call for 80 in June. Wow. Do I bring it here? You can see that. No. Okay, I'll log in here. Always keep an eye. Always keep an eye what the whales are doing. The big player. Not necessarily that the price will go there, but you get an idea. Today, there is a lot of strike happening on Meta right here. 820, 18th of June, for $21 premium, 19% plus change in this contract. How many contracts have traded in 36 days? 36 days, 820. I will not buy this. Why 36 days? The expiry is 18 June. What's wrong with them? Huh? Huh? Hello? It should be 136 or something. No. Why it's showing? Oh, earning in 36 days. Okay, that's cool. The expiry is in 170 days. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. So it's here, 170 days. Yeah. 170 days, 820 call seems good to me. This is a good call. But I'll go on a credit spread on this one. 57% on Rivian put. Yeah, book profit. And that's it. It's simple. Never hesitate to book profit. Alert 174.12. What is alert 174? Always add the ticker symbol and don't put extra work for me. Alert 174, 170 BBI long call. Yes, you can do that. Yeah. BBI. I haven't. Two stock which I haven't done the average down yet is BBI call and the DBLT stock. DBLT has gone down since our entry. It's a micro cap stock. Okay. And I'm waiting for a reason. You see that? This downtrend? This downtrend here? It's oversold today. You see the oversold on daily time frame? Definitely it's too cheap to ignore. But I'm waiting unless the spread candle comes. Okay. Instead of buying at 59, I'll be happy to average out at 61. It doesn't matter, make a difference of 1 or 2 cents. But we want the price reversal like this one. You see this spread candle? When the price have a reversal, little bit reversal, then we will average out. It's oversold. We know that. We can do it here. It doesn't matter. You see, the last time oversold, it was here, right here at 31 cents. And then it went bloody 10x once we picked up last time here in September. We bought this one as 0.4742, I think. That's where our first entry was. Even last time, we really did not catch this 10x around here. We knew it will go 10x, but when it's too much in profit, you can't hold it. It's really painful to see. So we bought it at 0.40. We closed, I think, at 110 or something like that. And after 110, this shit bloody went to $4. Downside, downside, downside. Stock that I'm monitoring now is for a big breakout. SMCI, coin. Then you have your BMNR. Okay. HIMS, Hood. These are the stock that probably make a big move. Okay, let's look at Tesla. Mara 950, waking up a little bit. The biggest pain painful trade for over the year has been MSTR. It literally ruined our weeks and months. Mm-hmm. 50 EMA rejection, good. Oscar. And this baby will have a big run. If you get the entry 738, I'm telling you, do not miss that. Do not miss 738 on QS. That will be the biggest regret if you miss the 738 entry. Because it's not oversold yet, so they can drag it down. All previous liquidity has been taken. The only level which is left is 738. QBT, QQQ, RGTI. Someone asked RGTI yesterday. 1935, good. Right here, remember? Right here at 2267, what did I say? That's it. Simple. It's not difficult. We have a new uptrend lines right from here to this one. Awareness Marubazu. Another awareness Marubazu. Retest. Okay. Let's go here. What's going on when I see something now? All right. So every time price is dropping with this candle, because it's inverted, so we'll consider it dropping. Inverted hammer, price drop. Inverted hammer, price drop. Inverted hammer, price drop. Inverted hammer, price drop means the price will go up one more time. Rivian will go up one more time. Rivian will go up one more time. Last leg upside on Rivian. This is not the exit liquidity here. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Change this mindset. Change this attitude. Okay. When the stock, let's say you book the profit on CDU, right? You book the profit on DVLT, you book the profit on AISP, you book the multiple profit on Risk Life. These are micro cap stocks. We have booked multiple times. Since our first time buy, DVLT went 10x. Okay. Now if it's dropping, let it drop. Let it drop. You should be thankful that it's dropping. We have not put more money into this one. We are not averaging out yet. It's a normal retail behavior. When stock go down, to get depressed, make fun of a stock, and then think, oh, this is a garbage, this is that, this is that. If you remember, the country vice president candidate was laughing at Tesla in front of public when it was at 212. Now he's nowhere to be found. Okay. So when the stock drops, change your thinking that yes, it's reaching to a good point where I can add more. If people were buying Hood at 150, and now you have two choices. Either you keep posting emoji about Hood, oh, it's a garbage stock, look, it's dropping. Or you be ready for an entry. That's it. mRNA. Okay, let's look at here what's going on the hood. This one I'm really interested now. It's reaching to a key level. All right. 15 minutes. 10:30 around. I'll stop the stream because I still have a little bit of cough left. Still not well. All right. Where's the gamma flip wall? 115 down to 109. Maximum bottom 100. Okay. Upside $100, 100 strike. Let's do. Okay. I will start trading hood right at 110. This area. And we'll be targeting to trade all the way up to 135, 136 area. So 110 to 135 is a good range. Okay. This range will be trading from here. Gamma flip wall 120. So once we cross 120, we'll go to 135 area. Under, we are going 110. 110 will start taking the trade. We'll be taking long synthetic on hood at 110. $5 down, maybe today. We'll start the trade. 2nd of January, we have a bullish gamma. So means recovery is about to happen on this one. Why there is no gamma for today and tomorrow? Like 31st, 1st. Okay. Oh, market is closed. We have to check. All right. So let's look at on hood what's going on. Hood. Chart is ugly, to be honest. Chart is really not good. Alrighty, let's look at if there is something else going on here. That bull feed. Result 250. Go for the premium. Okay. Premium volume meta. Do we have a latest date? 19th. Well, there was a lot of buy. Since 19, there has been 23rd. IBV. Let's look at the time. Wait. IREN, IREN. Learn to have patience. Learn to have patience. 3 people in the group, especially, I don't know, call out your name. I know 3 of you. You really need to work. 1 really need to work on his account. He's still trading with some XYZ trade company, and all his trade is a stock buy, which he need to work on his position. Fix his account, stop buying share. Another one, have patience. You are a full-time worker. I know that. You remember when you first time called, I was in the gym and we spoke about your portfolio. You have made enough money, so have patience. Have patience. And the third one, stop repeating the same question every single day about SPY. Okay, 231. I think we got our drop on Amazon. A little bit more, I think. Yeah, one more dollar will be better. A little bit. If you get one more dollar drop on Amazon, we will again take a trade. All right, SOXL bullish right from this candle. This candle is a key candle. We must break the previous candle today because these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all these 5 candles are engulfing to this particular candle. Okay, unless we break this, we are right here, the golden line, down here, golden line. Okay, so the price is, these 5 candles are engulfing. This candle should break above and push higher. Maximum upside is right here. That's where I want the price to go by 16 January, 47.81. That's it. Interesting. SMCI again dropping. Let's see. Uber. What's going on here? Again, look at the bloody, how tightly the price is stuck in the point of control line. The black line is the point of control line. Every single candle starting from here, which is 17 December, has been a spread candle right at this one. Like, see? It's like someone has tied the price to the point of control line and it's like not going up or down. You see that? Candle bouncing up, again back spin. Bouncing up, again back spin. It's a never seen situation. I have never seen any price like this for weeks, like 2-3 weeks now. Like someone is like purposely doing it. Can you believe this garbage was trading at 45 right here, $45 AI, and now trading at 13. So someone I know, I told her at 45. She was greedy enough to buy. Oh, look, AI is gone to 45. I said, this piece of shit only belonged to $15. And here we are, under 13 now. It was taking an advantage of NVDA AI run. CRM is done. CRWV is falling. Delta CTHS. What a beautiful run. From 65 to 85. Where is QS? 4687. Okay, shakeout going on. 460. Nice. 34 EMA rejection. Closing of this candle, which is 481 area. 481.64 previous day high. Makes sense. Is anything coming from here? 481. No. Okay. Tesla, make sure after the recovery, again, all crypto has been too much sideline. There is nothing we can do. You need to understand. This point, like this one, look here. Have you ever seen, go back to the chart, look, have you ever seen this long price at stuck in a same level? Right here, when the price was 87 price plus minus has been since 22nd of November. Plus minus, right? 87, like going $1,000 bounce, back $1,000, $2,000 bounce, back, and but every time coming back to the same level, and it's not like it's failing the price. We have never seen this. Look at the chart right here. It was for like a couple of days. You will never see this long sideline market. They're bloody playing with the market. Those who are in the trading long enough, they understand what the hell is going on here. Those who are new to trading, they are getting frustrated. For them, it's the world is like nothing is moving. What the hell is going on in the trading? Those who have long enough and understand this manipulation, they know that what's the outcome of this. The longer the base, bigger the breakout. Always remember this. Longer the price stay in this area, the breakout will be massive. They can't keep the price always 87, 88,000. You see that just now, bloody, it was 80. Just now it jumped $400 in just 1 minute. They can't keep the price here. Most likely 2 p.m. we'll have some news about the more money, more liquidity in the banking system. And you'll see a wild swing at around 210. SMCI. Give us bloody 57. Again, 666. Oh, shit. Look at the meta price, 666.88. $957. Meta better mark the bottom here. So 5. I really don't want to buy anything up here. It's too high. Okay. So VPAP volume down. Where's the volume? Where is the volume? No, there's no volume. Is everyone waiting for 2 p.m. or what? Netflix 93, 30th of December. See, Netflix, the buying is going on. 5,419,000 size. Okay. All righty. Tesla 458 SMH. Let's find where the volume is moving. 93.62. Premium is plus Net premium is green. Okay. $100 put, $1 call. $1 call. What the hell is this? Nice. Will turn green right here. So if you are scalping Tesla, scalp bullish on a 2 or 5 minute time frame. We're about to turn green. The call side is taking over. You see that? Right now, the call will take over the put. 460 call, 2nd January, 960. Highest open interest is here. 500 a call for 16 January. Okay. Maximum number of contract traded for this. Yep. Tesla. Five minutes. All right. Tesla, 2nd January. Nope, it's not worth it. Okay. We have a weird price action that look 0.22%, 0.5, 0.01. Market very stagnant. I think everyone is waiting for 2 p.m. SMCI hammer at the bottom, 29.94. 5 minutes. All righty. Price went up. Failed to break this candle here. Took down in this candle in here. So, okay. It should go up from here. 686.90 should give us a retracement back right in this area. No new trade. Did we go green on all trade on Xpang? 21.77? Yes, 21.52 was close to our entry, so we're good here. Why do I feel like taking a trade on Uber right now? 81.89 volume call side up. $82 call on 2nd January, $90 call for 16 January, highest OI, $90, $100, $180 put. Okay, do we have a trade on Uber? If not, then we go for Uber. I think the stock has turned bullish. We should take a trade here. We are looking for approximately $8 to $9 upside right here. It's a falling wedge, which will break out upside. Yeah, $8 to $9 internal demand. I think there is a decent trade here. 80 or 91 over. Over. Okay, yeah, okay. Daily. Okay, this particular candle trying to break out. 87, 88 area. This should be our price target. $6 upside. Bull divergence, bullish, bullish. ABC completed right here. Taken the liquidity right here. Liquidity right here. There's no liquidity under this point all the way to 72. Wyckoff theory. Okay. Uber is bullish 100% here. The price would, yeah. Uber is bullish. Uber is bullish. Let me see what Uber is, where Uber is going. Trading Central. It was 78 when we picked up on Friday. We missed the $4 run. There's already $4 here. We lost it. Okay, so why it's pointing 10% downside? Uber is showing me the bottom is 71.90 and where it's coming from. RSI is below the neutral area of the 50 MACD is below the signal line negative. Okay, signal line MACD negative. RSI bearish, yes. Period moving average. Respectively 84, 83. Okay. If we go here and the price dropped $10, how will we trade this? Okay, May 15th. Sell, so it doesn't bother us. 610 by 85. Sell 95. Okay, so that's 39 and this is 50, 89. And this will be your 95 into 2. Okay, so let's close this here. So we'll go for 30th of January. We do one put sell. The premium is bloody nothing. 81, we see this 7,979. That's $2 downside. We buy the put 41 delta. We buy 84 call, which is 41 delta. We buy equal for 81. We sell here. There's no premium. What the hell? Connell, Jeremy Vargas, what's going on with Connell? Connell, you see that? Look at that line. This is where I would take the big trade. We have not reached the bottom yet. It's normal. It's normal. Why? Do you have a corner trade? None of us has a corner trade. Diane, do you have a corner trade? We don't have corner trade in our group here. Okay, because see this, all this liquidity is taken, this one is taken. This is where the problem is right at this point. And the order block right here, yeah. So I'm waiting on big trade on this one. I don't think so. We have reached the perfect setup yet. Volume is dropping, price is dropping. Volume drop, price drop means the price will retrace. Okay, not quite yet. Uber. How the hell we play Uber? It's a very contradictory chart. 571 rejection. Come on, give us a better entry at 545 area again. And that's it. Let me give you the re-entry on NEO. $540 plus minus, yeah. Right in this area, 540 area. And Uber. What was the closing of this candle? 520. Not closing. High. 538. Okay, NEO 538. Xpeng and Li Auto, they are all good. They are all good. You hold. We are in profit on Xpeng. We are already in profit. We will continue holding. Sometime you hold the profit here. We have just turned green. It's not huge green, but they're like few dollar green, but that's worth it. We'll hold it. NEO call we closed. Lee is the next one we are waiting for to turn green. Definitely going to 23, 24 area right here. No hope with this garbage. And we don't have a trade on this one, just for your information. We don't have any trade on Lucid. That seems like undervalued to me right now, right here. PNW, Palo Alto Network. Sorry. All right. When there is no volatility, finding a trade is like bloody searching a needle in a haystack. Like the price is not moving. 7 cents, 7 cents. That's it. $1 billion company stock is moving 7 cents in a day. What the hell we buy? What the hell we sell? Piece of shit. Everything has brought to a standstill. Can you believe this? Look at this one. Palo Alto Network, $1 billion company, and the fluctuation in a day is 14 cents. What the hell we do with 9 cent? Look at this one, 9 cent, 14 cent. Palantir, 48 cent fluctuation in a day. We'll solve. This particular candle is bullish. Okay, just for your information, this red candle right here, this particular candle is bullish. And if you pay attention to this candle, you will understand this. Big holding body of a sell side, but heavy buying pressure. Very similar situation right here. The price should push one more time up on Rivian. And that's why we are not short on Rivian. Sorry. $248, $278 area. All right. Okay, we'll be paying attention to Hood and one or two other stocks. That's it right now. Okay, I'll stop the stream because there is no action. There is nothing. Look at this one. 12 cent, 33 cent, 96 cent. There is no fluctuation in the prices. 0 cent on AI, 17 cent on Affirm, Adobe, 28 cent. Like everything is frozen until 2 p.m. I think there will be no activity. Because 2 p.m. we have the Fed meeting. They will most likely try to pump the market. So make sure around 2 o'clock you're watching things back. You will see the fluctuation around 2. Right now, there is nothing in the market. 1 cent, 29 cent, 21 cent change in a day, 0.01 cent. Like there is nothing moving. There's no point staring at the chart. DVLT is dropping. Very good. That's what we are looking at. A little bit more downside. Not yet. Don't try to average out yet on this candle. We have a little bit more downside here. A little bit. And this is coming from this candle. And that's why I have not averaged out. Okay. This particular candle here. This was the ultra high volume candle. The opening, there's a small wick under this candle. If you see that, you see that right here. So right here. So we'll try to average out our position right at 42, 43 cent area. That's where we'll try to grab. Till then, we'll let it fall. So 43 area, we keep an eye on DVLT. Okay. 43 will be buying more. That's where we'll average out. Okay, Uber is green for the day. There's hardly anything moving in the market. This generally happens when the Fed is about to have a comment or something like that. Okay, 570. NEO will pull back. Once NEO pull back, we need to re-enter our long call again, 15th of May, $5 call. So we just went out. We still have short put, but again, we will enter the call once again. The price will sell off 100% because we have a bearish divergence, overbought, ultra high volume, stopping volume, and climax going on, the price will sell off. Selling pressure, I'll go picked. 538 will be the target, 545, 30 area to re-enter the trade. Okay, that's it. All right, thank you. Thanks.